Well, howdy there, Internet people. It's Bo again. So, today we are going to talk a little bit about a hearing that had a whole bunch of noteworthy quotes in it, and the attitude of the judge kind of leaves you wondering how various agencies within the U.S. government view the exact same situation and what is going to come of that, if anything. Recently, a man was near the residence of former President Obama, and he was armed. He was picked up, and in his detention hearing, it's the hearing that determines whether or not he's going to be released or he has to stay in custody awaiting trial. Think of it like the federal version of like a bond hearing. The judge said, "We as a country have failed you. Now you have to pay the price for our failure. At every turn, it seems you get let down, and that's not fair." It does appear that the suspect in this case has some mental health issues related to service-related PTSD. And one of the parts that's a little bit more telling is the part where the judge said that he believed the suspect was taking orders. Taking orders. If you don't remember, former President Trump made some posts on his little website shortly before this occurred. The judge went on to say, "I'm frustrated you're here. If our system was fair, you wouldn't be here." The judge didn't name Trump, didn't use his name outright, but the tone of the proceeding certainly indicated that the judge kind of wished he had somebody else before him. It definitely seemed as though the judge believed those who inflamed the situation, who spread a lot of false information about the election and cranked up the rhetoric, were really responsible for not just the 6th, but this as well. And the tone certainly seemed to indicate the judge would rather hold those people responsible than those who were following their orders. At the end, the suspect has been detained and will remain detained until trial unless something changes. Realistically, the charges that he's looking at, they're actually not that severe at the moment. They can always change, but right now, they're not big charges. It leaves a lot of questions about what law enforcement has determined about the state of the suspect, the mental state of the suspect. I think that might heavily influence how things proceed. But we will have to wait and see. I have a feeling that there's going to be some surprises in this case. Anyway, it's just a thought. Y'all have a good day.